Welcome to all. As I have promised in my last video that on the suggested stocks I will perform intraday trade on. So I am publishing the video as per my assurance. I am doing the video. I am doing the intraday trade on the suggested stocks which I have suggested in my last video. So as per my suggestion, I am taking trade on RBL Bank for a quantity of 4,000 quantities. So I am placing trade. You just look here. I am placing trade in NSE. This is a learning opportunity for all of you guys. Just look at here. I am placing this trade on NSE, not in BSE. Okay, I have placed the next trade which I am placing in BSE. You people can. It will be a greater learning opportunity for all of you, because the next trade which I am placing in BSE, 2,800 quantities of Cholamandalam Finance stocks. The order which I am placing for Chola, that is in BSE, Bombay Stock Exchange. Okay. So I just want to prove one thing, that almost all YouTubers, just only suggesting these videos and I just suggesting the stocks, and they were not actually doing trade in those. Friends and brothers, it is very easy to tell you that you choose this stock, but it is very difficult to do trading on that same stock. As per in our channel, I will do trade on that particular stock itself. So no need to worry. So let's continue. In 9:10, my order is getting executed at 9:08. So in pre-market order, I have made pre-market order. My order is getting executed. So you can see the difference. I just told you earlier. You just see the difference here at Bombay Stock Exchange and National Stock Exchange. In Chola Finance, Bombay Stock Exchange opens at 258 rupees. The same stocks in National Stock Exchange opens at 255.5 rupees. So there is a difference of 2.5 rupees. So it is very difficult for me. It is a difficult situation. Actually, from next time onwards, I will only take trade in NSE. Why it is happen? Because there is a issue with volume in NSE and BSE. That I will teach you later why it is happening like this. Anyway, it is a learning opportunity for all of you guys, but I don't know, maybe I may face some loss in here, I think. So anyway, let's continue. Actually, all YouTubers, almost all YouTubers just only giving suggestions only. They were not doing trade. I am taking bulk quantities of that particular suggested trade. So I want to keep your belief on me. I want to improve. I want to deliver the best to you all people, because I have already spent 4 to 5 hours per stock for studying the each and every moments, for preparing my own chart. I spent a lot of amount of time. So I am in a very good confidence. But anyway, you can see here it is as per our expectation, it was not good, as we all know that the order execution was not good. Anyway, let us hope for the best always. Okay, this is a video at 9:15. I am checking chart view application. It is one of the best application, trading view application. It is one of the best application you can use for checking NSE and BSE movements. So most of the stocks will follow NSE and BSE. Most of the stocks. There is also something different that I will explain later. In my later videos, I will definitely tell you the tricks, how I identify the movements. I have my own way for identifying the movements of a particular stock. You just check it out. In RBL, yes, everything is in red. But anyway, I have full confidence. As per my studies, I should get a profit. But in any way, because of the problem which I have faced while placing the order for Chola Finance, I put an order in Bombay Stock Exchange. So after due to that, it opened at 258. That was a problem. Otherwise, I could have been in a very easily profitable situation. Anyway, it is very difficult in the starting time itself. I know that is very difficult to cover my loss in Chola Finance, because that much of movement is not expected today in the market, because as you all know that moratorium verdict from the Honorable Supreme Court will be given on tomorrow. So banking sector will be in a pressure. Maybe profit booking will be starting. So actually one of the main problem is Nifty is traveling towards 11,000. So 12,000. Maybe most probably there will be a selling pressure. So anyway, let us hope for the best. So my loss is increasing, you can see here. But anyway, as per my studies, I know that I will be in a definitely in a profit position in RBL Bank. 101%, I have full sure. You can just see here. I'm just reading the video because you people will get bored. So you can just look here. RBL is getting profiting in a profitable situation. RBL is in profitable situation. So you can see here. It has given me the profit of nearly 7,000 rupees. So I am going to quit this trade, because it is enough. Because as per the movement in the market, it is a good time for me to exit. Because as we all know, I will tell you one more thing. Greedy is not good in share market. Greedy people will always get the punishment from the share market. My Chola Finance is still in loss, but you know, my total profit and loss, it is in loss. I personally always want to end all of my trade in green. I don't want to face any kind of loss. That is my personal revenge. So let's hope for the best. Okay, in the other video you can see my Chola Finance is getting easy, but it is very difficult to cross a certain limit. So I am going to quit my trade today. It is already in a profitable situation, so I'm going to quit my Chola Finance. So guys, let me tell you something more. Actually, I want to tell you some more things, because I already got a profit of 3,000. Give me some time, guys. 3,700 rupees. As you all know, I got a profit of 3,700 rupees. Okay, 3,700 rupees. Why it is? Because even if my studies are for a profit of 10,000 rupees, but due to some problems I was unable to reach it to 10,000 rupees. Why it is? Because you people saw there, because of Cholafin in BSE opens at 158, NSE 155.5. so that was a difference that caused me 6k loss. But overall my profit is nice, because you know, now market condition is not at all good. It is very difficult to wait some more time. So in greedy, mainly I already discussed with you people, don't be so greedy. Just achieve your profit. Just quit from the trade. Just quit. You just make a target on an easy day. On easy days you can achieve a lot of profits, but it was not an easy day. Anyway, I just want to prove you one thing, that I don't want to cheat you people, because the stock I suggested, I will personally also I will do trading in that. I don't want to cheat you all people. So if you are having faith on me, you can share my videos, you can subscribe me. I will definitely help you in the future also. We have to build a good community. So thank you all. Tomorrow actually I will not be available for any trading. I am planning to take a position in future and option in RBL bank, because in tomorrow morning there may be a big selling pressure on banks. There may be a good dip, we'll get this stock on a dip. So after that there is not having any bad news on banks. So banking sector will improve on the next week. Next week banking sector will definitely improve. So I am taking a future option in RBL. So because I have a lot of commitments for the next week, I don't have enough times. Anyway, I will definitely help you guys. Please subscribe my channel. If there is any update, I will definitely give you good videos. I will definitely share some good ideas with you, because today also, as per my chart, it was very difficult for RBL to raise particular level due to selling pressure. Selling pressure was there, very much of selling pressure was there on RBL Bank and Chola Finance. Tomorrow also it will continue. Selling pressure due to the verdict. Actually, market runs on sentiments. Everybody know that market completely runs on sentiments. We have to utilize it. We have to just utilize it. Okay. Anyway, thanks for all for watching my videos. Please share even if you found, because I already made many huge amount of profits, huge amount of profits. I already doubled my money many times, but I don't want to claim that all those things. I just want to prove with videos. I don't want to prove with words. I want to prove with videos. Okay. Anyway, thank you.